Sige, sige. Joel, no good. Joel rebound. Joel pa rin, wala. Rebound by Mr. Alex. Pass the ball to Mr. Eman. 24 pala.
Pumasok ka, no?
Wala. Oh, Rapi, 2 points. Giliar dribbling the ball. Tumatawa si Giliar habang nagdi-dribble. Naghanap ng kapasahan, pinasa kay Shakoy. LC Tamera Andres, pass. Out of bounds.
Galing nyo rin ah. Hindi ka marunong.
Bab yan, Bab.
Lalaki yan. Galing nyo rin bukas. Mag-repair ka na rin ha. Oh, dito ka sa kabila.
Oop. Out of bounds.
Ano masipag ka palang dito. Sana buka.
Good.
Good.
LC dribbling the ball. Lumi up, foul counted. Okay, ready. One bonus through. No good. Rebound by Joel. Pasok, 4 points. Score 4-2. Tama, correct? Eman, Rafi, Tomera, wala. Rebound by Shakoy. Ayan, may videographer pa tayo. Imo, Shakoy, dribbling the ball. Atras, Abante. 4 seconds at clock, double dribble. Minutes and 48 seconds. Counted Marlon, 2 points. Gimo dribbling the ball. Wala. Shakoy. Juarez blocking. Mo para di ka mapagod, nakakita ka pa ng gwapo. Eman. Pass to Marlon, Tomera ng 3. Wala. Imo for the rebound. Joel 2 points. Kay Joel yon, 2 points. Nakapat na si Joel. Eman for 2. Wala. Rebound by Gimo. Na kay Juarez. Uy, nawala ang oras. Dalawa. Marlon at saka si Tolitz. Nice. Counted.
Puta, may galaw pa rin pala yun.
Nakakita yung point.
Wala raw, di naka-big.
Literal na to.
Rebound by Alex. Play. Alex rebound, follow up, wala. Rebound by Juarez.
Sayang. Baba yung scoring natin ah.
Gimo for 3 points. Nag-umpisa na naman.
Ganda nun.
Eman. Score 11-6. Lamang ang 11. Juarez. Rebound. Pass to Gimo. Gimo. Pass to Elsie. Elsie Tomera ng 3. Wala. Out of bounds.
Pumipiyok pa.
4 minutes and 37 seconds. This game is brought to you by Red Horse from Buratak.
Kulang sa luya.
Kulang daw sa yun. Luya? Ayuda.
Pati po naglaro si Bob.
Play. Wala. Oops. Out. 4 minutes and 8 seconds.
Suarez, nakatatlong pusod na.
Timo dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng mapasahan.
Mayroon pa yan boss.
Good. Oh. Counted. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. 13-6 ang score. Foul.
Sino boy?
Mabigat.
Foul si Juarez.
Paano si Waras boy? Markaan lang yung Waras. Yung unang foul.
Oh, counted. Good. No, good. Intercepted by Dimo. Juarez. Juarez tumira. Pasok. Two minutes and 56 seconds. Iman tumira. Pumasok. Iman for 2. Yung score natin ay 15-8. Lamang ang 15. Lamang ang blue. Ay bola ka Joel. Gimo. 3 seconds violation. Wendell.
Baba.
2 minutes and 20 seconds. Alex. Jump. Rebound. Ravi. Marlon. Pasok. 2 minutes and 8 seconds shot. Oh.
Shot clock?
Shot clock lang, 19 seconds. Pag napindot, tabla. Rapid, Tovera, wala. Rebound, walang foul. Di pumito, Sidlito. Up.
Kulang sila.
Lima lang. Anim. Joel, nagliap. Wow! Rebound. Tumira naman, pasok. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 17-10. Mahilig sa 10-10.
Ang dami ng alin mo.
Dito ata si
Marlon Tumira. Rebound by Joel. 55 seconds. LC, pass to Gimo. Gimo, tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound by 35 seconds. Juarez.
Number 2.
Counted daw.
Counted foul. Wala. Wala daw, wala. Not counted. Side throw.
Sino pa?
Si boss. Ayun bola. Kasi dito na una eh.
Oras.
10 seconds.
5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1.